Welcome to HouseLuxe Estate, your go-to channel for all things lifestyle and success. Here, we aim to equip you with valuable tips and insights on a diverse range of topics. From the intricacies of gourmet cooking to the fundamentals of starting and successfully monetizing a blog, we've got you covered. We believe in empowering our community with knowledge to help you lead a more enriched and successful life. Today, we will unfold the process of starting a successful blog and monetizing it using AI tools. To start a blog, you first need to understand the basics. It's like preparing a canvas for a painting. The better your preparation, the more vibrant your masterpiece will be. Blogging is no different. It begins with choosing a niche. A niche is the topic or subject that your blog will focus on. It could be anything from gardening to gourmet cooking, from real estate to rocket science. The key is to select a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will not only keep you motivated, but also make your content more authentic and engaging for your readers. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to select a blogging platform. There are several platforms available out there, like WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. Each platform has its own set of features and benefits. WordPress, for instance, is known for its flexibility and extensive range of plugins. Blogger, on the other hand, is lauded for its simplicity and ease of use. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and technical proficiency. After you've selected your platform, it's time to set up your blog. This involves choosing a domain name, setting up hosting, and designing your blog. Your domain name should be unique and representative of your niche. As for hosting, you have the option of shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. The design of your blog should be clean and user-friendly to ensure a pleasant reading experience for your audience. Remember, starting a blog is not just about writing and publishing posts. It's about creating a space where you can share your knowledge, express your thoughts, and build a community. It's about connecting with your audience and making a difference in their lives. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the core of blog creation. The journey ahead is exciting and full of possibilities. So hold on tight and let's embark on this blogging adventure together. Content is king and SEO is its queen. Now that's a phrase you might have heard before, but what does it really mean? It's simple. The success of any blog, whether it's about real estate or rocket science, hinges on two key elements: the quality of the content you produce and how effectively you optimize it for search engines. Let's start with content. In the blogosphere, quality trumps quantity every single time. It's not about churning out post after post. It's about creating content that is rich, engaging, and valuable to your readers. It's about crafting posts that answer questions, solve problems, and provide insights. This is what will make your readers come back for more, and more importantly, share your content with others. But even the most exceptional content can get lost in the vast sea of the internet without the right search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is what helps search engines like Google find your blog. It's what makes your blog appear in search results when someone types in a query related to your content. So how do you optimize your content? It begins with keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases that people use when searching for information online. By including relevant keywords in your content, you help search engines understand what your blog is about, increasing your chances of appearing in search results. On-page SEO is another crucial aspect. This involves optimizing individual elements of your blog posts, such as the title, headers, meta descriptions, and images. Each of these elements plays a role in helping search engines index your content correctly, driving more traffic to your blog. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process that requires regular monitoring and tweaking. But with time and practice, it becomes second nature. With compelling content and effective SEO, your blog is ready to attract and retain readers. So keep producing high-quality content and optimizing it for search engines, and you're well on your way to blogging success. Once you've built a loyal readership, it's time to monetize. Now, the question that comes to mind is, how do I do that? There's a myriad of ways to monetize your blog, and we're going to discuss some of the most popular and effective ones. Firstly, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is when you partner with a company to promote their product or service on your blog. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, and you get a piece of the pie. But remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity and relevancy. Promote only those products or services that you genuinely believe in and that are relevant to your blog's niche. This will maintain your readers' trust and increase your chances of making a sale. Next up, sponsored posts. Companies often reach out to bloggers to write sponsored posts about their products or services. In return, they pay a fee. It's a great way to monetize your blog, but again, authenticity is paramount. Be transparent with your readers that the post is sponsored. Then, there's the option of selling your products or services. If you're a fashion blogger, you might launch a clothing line. If you're a food blogger, perhaps you could write a cookbook. The opportunities are endless. And finally, don't forget about ads. You can partner with advertising networks that will display ads on your blog. Each time a reader clicks on an ad, you'll earn a small amount. It might not seem like much, but it can add up over time. Remember, monetizing your blog isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and hard work. But with the right strategies in place, you can turn your passion project into a profitable business. So, experiment with different monetization strategies, see what works best for your blog, and don't be afraid to tweak things along the way. After all, blogging is a journey, not a destination. The right monetization strategy can turn your blog into a lucrative business. So gear up, bloggers, it's time to make some money. In the digital age, AI tools are a game changer for bloggers. It's time to demystify the jargon. AI, or artificial intelligence, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's revolutionizing the way we blog. From content creation to SEO and monetization, AI tools are reshaping the blogging landscape, making it more efficient and profitable. Let's start with content creation. Ever faced writer's block? AI can help. Tools like Jarvis and Copy.ai can generate blog ideas, write drafts, and even polish your content. You provide the topic, and these AI-powered assistants do the heavy lifting, turning out high-quality content that captivates your audience. Next up, SEO. SEO is about making your blog visible to search engines, and AI is making this easier than ever. Tools like Ally AI and BrightEdge optimize your blog content for search engines, suggest keywords, and even analyze your competitors. They'll help your blog climb up the search rankings, bringing in more traffic and more potential revenue. And speaking of revenue, AI tools are also transforming how bloggers monetize their content. Ad Pushup, for instance, uses machine learning to optimize ad placements on your blog. It analyzes your audience's behavior and adjusts ad locations for maximum visibility and engagement. The result? Higher click-through rates and more ad revenue, all without lifting a finger. But that's not all. AI tools can also automate social media promotion, analyze your blog's performance, and provide valuable insights to drive your strategy. Popular platforms like Hootsuite and Sprout Social use AI to schedule posts, track engagement, and even predict trends. Here's the bottom line. AI tools aren't just convenient, they're powerful. They're capable of tasks that would take humans hours, days, or even weeks to complete. And the best part? They're accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a tech guru to leverage these tools. You just need to be willing to embrace the future of blogging. Integrating AI tools into your blogging strategy can significantly boost your success and revenue. So, why not give it a try? The future of blogging is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We began our journey with the basics of starting a blog. We emphasized the importance of finding a unique niche, creating engaging content, and establishing a strong online presence. We highlighted that blogging isn't just about writing, it involves a lot of planning, research, and commitment. We then moved on to the critical aspects of content creation and search engine optimization, or SEO. We stressed the importance of creating quality content that resonates with your audience and how SEO helps your blog get discovered among the vast digital landscape. Our journey led us next to the exciting part, monetizing your blog. We dove into various monetization strategies, from affiliate marketing to sponsored posts and ad placements. We underscored that monetization isn't an overnight process. It requires patience, consistency, and strategic planning. The final leg of our journey introduced us to the world of artificial intelligence tools. We discovered how these tools can help automate tasks, analyze data, and ultimately drive more traffic to your blog. We explored several AI tools that can help in content creation, SEO, and monetization. Remember, starting a successful blog and monetizing it with AI tools is a journey that requires passion, dedication, and the right tools. It's a journey where learning never stops. Thank you for tuning into House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on lifestyle and success. Happy blogging!